video. In today's video I will show you how to play a background audio or mp3, how to play an mp3 file even when your app is closed. Here first I will show you one demo. So I have loaded I'm loading an mp3 file from a server. So here you can see this is the file, and if I press on the play button now, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but there is definitely an audio playing. And if I want, I can navigate to the second screen as well. Okay, and the state of the UI is maintained, like the progress bar, at what time the song was playing. But the most important factor is the audio should play even when I close the app. Okay, so if I close the app, if I go at the status, here you can see it is still playing. So we will be covering this inside our tutorial. So let's get started. So first, what you will have to do, I am using Jetpack Compose, and this is for native Android application. First, you have to go to create a native Android application with Jetpack Compose. And firstly, you will have to add this I'm not sure if this dependency is already added, but make sure if not, add this dependency. Then you will have to add this legacy support as well. And here I have added hilt dependency, hilt navigation. Then these are this media 3 dependency, and this one is for coil and this one is for glide. I know you might be thinking why I'm using two image libraries, but yeah, I wasn't able to figure it out how to do with glide, how to do some stuff with coil. That's why I used glide. And this one is for compose navigation. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I will tell you all components which I have. So this is the bottom player view which I have created. All I have taken is a column, a divider, a player bar, and player controls. Next is the player bar. So here you can see I have taken the player bar, which only has a slider, a row, and text, progress, and duration. Then inside the player controls, here as you can see I have taken an icon for going back, image, for play pause, and for going ahead there is another icon. Then here is a player UI of simple media player, and here I have just taken a box, column, player bar, and player controls. Next, I have created a simple media module dependency injection class. So you will have to take it as a singleton. And here I have just done provide audio attributes. This is for exoplayer. This is for our notification manager. This is for our media session, and this is for our simple media service handler. Also inside Android manifest, make sure you add this internet permission and foreground service, as well as this service over here. Next, here inside these dependencies, you will have to add this build script as well for hilt, otherwise it might not work. Next, inside service, so this is for media notification adapter. And now, to be honest with you, much of it I don't understand, but I will try to explain as much as I can. So this is for our album title, this is for pending intent, this is for display title, and this is the get current icon for displaying. So this is how I wanted to use it, and I couldn't with coil. Maybe you can let me know how to use it with coil, but anyways, that's fine. Then this is for the notification manager. Okay, so this is how we start the notification, and this is the icon which I am using. So I think this will be boilerplate code for everything. You don't have to worry much about it all. Yeah, then this is the simple media service, and this is the simple media service handler. Okay, and this method will be used if you have a list of songs to be added. I will also show you how to add list of songs instead of just playing one songs. Okay, so yeah, these are all like callbacks. Next, inside I don't think I have changed anything inside UI theme. Next, I have created a destination, which is a sealed class, Next, inside main activity, I have just defined a view model and is service running equal to false. Then I have defined a nav controller, and we are just jumping from media screen to secondary screen. That's it. And on destroy we are stopping our service once the app is closed, and in start service we are just starting our service. Now inside main app I have defined this main application as well, and you will need to refer this application inside your Android manifest over here. Okay. Next, inside main screen.kt I have just used simple media player UI, and this is the simple media screen which you have to go first, and here I have defined the state for it. Okay, and this is for the ready content. So this is our main screen. Next, for secondary screen I have just defined our bottom player UI and as well as our surface, and this is our view model which is more important. So here you can see I have first taken duration, progressing and is playing. So if you are trying to make some kind of this application, you only have to change the UI, everything else will remains the same, and just change the URL of your song. And this is for on clear, this is for on UI event, this is format duration, calculate progress values, and here you can see I'm passing. So this is for if you have only one song in your playlist, if you want to play only one audio. But if you have multiple audios, you can use something like this. You can use a for each, and just this would be your list, right? I have just created 1 to 17, but this should be your exact list of songs. And then you can change this URI and this your parse artwork URI according to whatever you want. And here instead of add item you will use add media list item. So yeah, that should be it. Nothing else. Thank you for watching. Bye.